I am as each and every individual is. We all feel the frustration, we all feel the irritation when things are not going our way. But what is important is, does frustration lead to anything that is good for the team? What at that point of time, what I am thinking is what needs to be done. The human mind is the most brilliant thing that's there, and I feel when used along with technology, that's the best way to move forward. I often find my schedule to be very boring, but that's what is needed of me, and I feel that's a priority. I can contribute more in cricket if I can keep myself fit. So my first priority is to keep myself fit. That's what is something that's very important, not to throw in the towel till the result is there. Often, what we have seen in our sport also, often it happens that, a few runs are needed, the wicket is flat, they have more wickets in the dressing room. Then what happens is you tend to back off saying, okay, we have lost this game and, let's look for the next one. But what's important is still give in your best. I'm someone who keeps talking about being in the present, and it's not something that I keep saying, it's something that I truly believe in. Be in the present, focus in the present, because what I'm doing in the present will have an impact on the future. What is respect? Respect is something that comes out of the heart. To me, somebody, coming up to me and saying something is not respect. At the end of the day, I'm not somebody who looks for it. So I feel it's much more complex than that. Care about what is in my control. We always find an excuse, ye nahi hua, wo nahi hua, wo nahi hua. And when you're looking for excuses, you don't look at the strengths. I would say that, I feel equally frustrated. I also feel angry at times. I feel disappointed. But what is important is none of these are constructive. What needs to be done right now is more important than any of these emotions. So when I get into the thinking of what needs to be done, abhi mujhe kya karna hai, what is the next thing that I can plan, who is the individual I can use. And once I get into it, I'm controlling my emotions in a much better way. So I would say I'm like everyone else. It's just that I control my emotions slightly better than some of the other individuals. If you see, what we firmly believe in is commitment, integrity, and hard work. And if you see these three things, it's not only for a business. In sport also, these are the three things we keep emphasizing on. We want youngsters to actually be very committed to what they want to achieve in life. Hard work, I'm still finding a substitute for hard work, which we have not been able to find. So I'm hoping that someday I would able to find something that substitute hard work. But these are the core essence, that really helps you become what you are. How to behave when you are successful. You need to show a lot of respect to the opposition or the contender you are competing with, but at the same time, be humble in life, enjoy what you are supposed to, and have respect for everybody around you. I feel for me most of the time is good time. Either you are learning or you're enjoying what you have learned. So it's not the ups and the downs. You lose some, you win some. When you win, you celebrate. When you lose, you learn. So that's what it is. Thinking about the result never gives you result. Yes, you may have a target in mind, but what is more important is to take care of the small steps in life. What needs to be done, what I am supposed to do, what extra I can do, and that will help us achieve the target. The most important ingredient, yes, hard work is there, dedication is there, passion is there, but I felt being honest is one of the most important things. To start off being honest to yourself. Unless you are honest to yourself, you can't be honest to others. And what it also does, it helps you in accepting what the shortcomings are. You may not be a great player, may not be a great human being, but if you're willing to accept the shortcomings, you can always look to improve. You can go to people, you can ask for help, and there'll be people to guide you out. Whether it's your seniors, whether it's your parents, close friends, whoever those may be. And I always felt all these things really helped me keep moving ahead in life. Throughout being honest towards the goal. What is the goal? The goal is not to, for me, it was never to score so many runs for India. For me, it was always, how we'll be able to win a game. Whether you are the captain or you're not the captain. What you want is, how much you have contributed for the team to win. Then, if you become a senior player in the team or if you're the captain in the team, your main thing then becomes, apart from the team success, is what you're really doing to make it comfortable for others to perform. All of us, we perform as individuals, but what you want is what we are doing so that others are performing, whether we are giving them enough time, whether they are grooming them, whether we are putting them in the right direction as seniors, where they are also able to perform. So I would say I always felt I had a very simple life. It was very simple when it came to the journey. I would always take care of the things that were in my control. I was never bothered about selection. If I didn't get selected, for me it was like I need to score more runs, I need to do better wicket keeping, because those are the things that will help me perform. Thinking about not getting selected won't help me in any ways. It won't really help me get better. It will only fill me with more bitterness, and I'll have to work hard even more to get into the team. So ultimately you have to keep adapting yourself. So how quick are you when it comes to that adaptation thing is something that also defines how successful you'll be in the future. So if I have to sum it up, yes, dedication, hard work, passion, all of it is there, but you have to be honest to the core. If you're not honest, then a lot of times you may complicate things. So I always thought being honest was one of the key factors that really helped me be where I am right now.